Alright, we're about to watch the One Guy, One Screwdriver. We haven't seen this before. I'm hoping.
I don't know.
I don't know. I don't know how to feel.
I don't really know what I'm hoping right now.
But hopefully we can stomach this.
Are you serious? That's the same dude. How about that's the same dude? Oh my goodness.
Alright, so we about to play this. Doesn't even look right.
He's doing that shit again.
I think the only thing you'll taste today is your own blood.
Look at this shit. Are you serious? Just look.
Oh my God! Oh!
This nigga's dick is bleeding.
Oh my gosh!
God forgive me. God forgive me.
What is wrong with him? This is sick.
This guy's sick.
Oh my, yo.
I don't even want to like. It's not even funny anymore. This shit is not even funny anymore. This is some demonic shit. Look at that shit. Blood is everywhere. Like you just want.
Oh.